ASK Group, one of India's largest private equity companies, is eyeing the buzzing commercial real estate space. The fund is actively scouting for investments in India's office market. The residential-focused PE player recently exited from its investments in Gurgaon's ATS Tangerine with an IRR of 25%. My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal caught up with Sunil Rohkale, CEO and Managing Director of ASK Group, and asked him about the new funds in the pipeline.
You have recently made an exit from ATS Tangerine in Gurgaon. Now you made a return on IRR of 25%. So does this point out to the fact that in this market where residential sales have been stagnant or slow in the past 2 years, there are still pockets of opportunities where players like you can make huge money and can make good returns?
This is the time when a lot of people think of the hopelessness. We see a hope in the difficulty, because there are so many casual, accidentally became developers or landowners who are holding on these assets, have done a lot of hard work to get those assets bankable. This is a time where if you have the money and if you are willing to believe the India growth story, I think there is an opportunity. So returns in Indian real estate have not vanished.
Past 1 year, we have seen commercial real estate boom. We have seen some of the biggest deals happen in the past 1 year. So going forward, can we expect ASK to come out with a fund specifically for commercial projects?
It's very clear the worst for the commercial seems to be over. Rentals have stabilized, capital values will start strengthening, interest rates are coming down. There is an opportunity in a commercial real estate. We would definitely look at that part. But right now, as we are speaking, do I have a plan on hand? No, I don't have a plan, but don't get surprised if we look at commercial real estate actively.
Corpus that you would be looking at for both residential as well as for commercial going forward?
Commercial real estate fund need to be of a larger size if you want to really own a good A-grade, good quality office buildings or income building IT buildings. So it doesn't make really any sense to have a fund anything less than 1,500 crore. So any fund which is less than $200 million doesn't really give you opportunity to participate into good quality assets. As far as residential is concerned, I think 500 also is a good number and 1,500 is a beautiful number. So we got 1,500 last time. Let's see whether we can do the similar 1,500 again, or we would be happy with whatever we get, but generate return consistently with a due risk management.